Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how we can use videoshow app for Android and iPhone. So let's start. First I have a clip here, and now you can have themes that you can paste and it will edit, or you can have just none. I prefer to having none effects themes. Then what you want to do is just you can click on the sound and you can insert your own music, or you can multi-music. This means that you are going to insert multiple music videos to your video, or you have sound effects you can do and you need to download more audio for it. And then you have voiceover. When you're gonna click on edit, you have multiple things you can do here. So the first thing is the subtitles. You can add a text. Then you have transitions, which are pretty cool. Fade in, fade out. Filter effects. Filters are great if you know how to use them. Okay, then you have stickers. And yep, that's kind of it. You can also add doodle, and the settings, you can change the background color if you have. So let's use it like this. And now when I'm going on the background, I can change the background to whatever I want. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. And you can also split video. So when you're gonna go to edit and you're gonna click clip edit, you can split it, you can trim it like this, and you can just split the video. And to cancel it, just press discard. And you can also zoom in. So that's pretty easy. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and see ya.